until 4:45. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line that runs from near Forney through DeSoto to near Rendon-Crowley area, moving south at 35 miles per hour. These storms have a history of 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. A good deal of tree and power line damage has been done in these storms. Once again, a new severe thunderstorm warning affecting Rockwall, Kaufman, Johnson, Tarrant, Ellis, and Dallas counties until 4:45. Severe thunderstorms run from near Forney, east of Dallas, to near DeSoto, to near the Rendon-Crowley area in southern Tarrant County, moving south at 35 miles per hour with some 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, quarter-sized hail, and a history of producing large power outages in excess of 100,000 customers in the Encore system. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Guitar, you're trying to be